everyone. So today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is resistors in parallel. Already we had discussed what is meant by series and what is meant by parallel connection. Now we are going to discuss about the parallel connection. Okay. So here we can see, I told you that parallel connection means both the ends are connected to the potentials. Okay. One end is connected to the positive and the other end is connected to the negative of the battery. Okay. If such a connection is there, we can call that connection as parallel connection. See this resistance, take this resistance as resistor as R1, this one as R2 and this one as R3. Okay. So see both these ends are connected to both the end of the battery. Here also both these ends are connected to the end of the battery. Here also they are connected directly. Okay, both the ends are connected directly to the battery. So such a type of connection is called as parallel connection. Okay, why we are going for series and parallel connection? Sometimes in market it is not available for our desired value. Okay, நம்ம நினைக்கிற value சில வேளை கிடைக்காது market. அந்த timeல we will connect either parallelly or seriously. Okay, according to our convenience. Okay, if you want to reduce the resistance, what we have done? If you have to increase the resistance, in the previous class we have discussed, we have connected is a series. Okay, now let us see what happens in parallel connection. Okay, so the first point here is, I told you already, here the potential is directly connected to all the resistance. So what about my potential? It is same. Okay, in all the three resistors the potential is directly connected, so it is same. So I can take the potential difference as common. It is common for all the resistors. So V is same. Okay. What about my next factor? It is current. See the current in series connection, when the current is going here, it is not having any other way, right? ஒரே வழி தான் இருக்குது இல்லையா? So ஒரே current pass ஆகும். When you see here, when the current comes here, it is finding out another one way. Okay, இன்னும் ஒரு வழி இருக்குது அதுக்கு தெரியுது. So இங்க வந்துச்சுனா இன்னும் ஒரு வழி இருக்குது அதுக்கு தெரியுது. Okay, so when this come to this point here, it is I1 ஒரு வழி இருக்கு. அப்புறம் திரும்ப இங்க வருது இல்லையா? இங்க வந்த அப்புறம் பார்த்தா இங்க ஒரு வழி இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு வழி. So three ways are there. So what about my current? My current is divided into three parts. Since there are three resistors, current வந்து மூணு வேல divide ஆகி போகுது. Okay, so here the current is divided. In series the potential is divided and here the current is divided. Okay, so I am taking the current as I1 plus I2 plus I3. This may be different value. Okay, the current is not equal, it may differ. Okay, so already I told you that finally if you want to find out the effective resistance, what you have to do? Which one is divided? Either divide current. We have to divide that value. Which one is same? In this value same ஆ அதால divide பண்ணணும். Okay, so here the current is divided. Write it. Which is same? Voltage is same. So divided by the voltage. Okay, so I know that V is equal to IR. So V by I is equal to R. Right? So what is V by I equal to R? Here I am having I by V. So what is I by V? It is 1 by R. Okay, so I can write it as I by V equal to 1 by R. So this is my effective resistance in parallel. So I am writing a suffix P. Okay, I1 by V means 1 by R1. I2 by V means 1 by R2 and I3 by V means 1 by R3. Okay, so this is my effective resistance when it is connected in parallel. Now let us see if the resistance increases or decreases. Okay, in series it gets increased. Here let us see whether it is increased or decreased. I am taking this as 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. Okay, I am taking only 2 resistors, not 3, only 2. Okay, so if you want to find out the effective resistance, how will I write? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So what happens? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? It becomes 2 by 2, right? So this becomes 1 ohms. So 1 by Rp equal to 1 ohm. Okay, otherwise you can take some other value. Take this is 3 and this is 6. Okay, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. What happens? 2 plus 1. So what happens? 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so what about my effective resistance now? It is getting reduced. My effective resistance is getting reduced. Here it is 3, here it is 6. By now my effective resistance is getting reduced. It becomes 1 by 2. Okay, so when the resistors are connected in parallel, their effective resistance finally அது கிடைக்கிற resistance எப்படி இருக்கும்? கம்மியா இருக்கும். Okay, series connect பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதிகமா கிடைக்கும். So based on the necessity or based on your demand, you can use parallel connection or series connection. So many connections, some more connections are there, but it is not needed for your 12th standard. Okay, you will study in your higher standards. Okay, hope you can understood the series and parallel connections, and thank you for watching.